In this video, we're going to talk about the TextMagic options. This, by the way, we added a bunch of stuff, but we'll probably add more because I think there's still some room for other whiz bang that we can add to this to be technical. Let's go ahead and show a couple of the options. So let's say I select a bunch of rows here, and I can go up to TextMagic and say remove empty lines. That just, I believe, removes them on what you had selected. So if I want to select all and hit them, then I can get rid of all of them. Undo. I can hit the hotkey and I can select next occurrence. So if I'm going to select this word more, Ctrl+Shift+N, notice it selects the next one, and now I can do multiple lines and typing. And there's lots of options like this, so I'll let you play around with here. I can toggle, of course, toggle. You can make it easy to go across multiple lines and toggle the comments. Aligning the carrots or serial. This one I have to play with more, but I believe you can increment the number on it. So this is all the options under TextMagic. If you guys have some things you'd like to see in here, by all means, mention them to us, because I think there's a lot of the stuff in VS Code and other tools that we use, and once you get used to them, they save you an insane amount of time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.